Yes, first of all, I have to thank Karunai Prakash sir for this FSP, because we used to say, na, experience is the best teacher, and what I used to admire from Karunai Prakash sir is all about engaging the team. Or a corporate la or team eppadi engaging ah vachika mudiyomன்றத when I was entering into training field and adha pathi pesumodala ellarkitta irundha vara word vandu Karunai Prakash sir is the best person to engage the team அப்படின்றது. And the content, how can we set our, like, from a body language and to like எதை நம்ம we have to focus on the context setting, அது ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருந்துச்சு. And what is coach mentoring இந்த மாதிரியான விஷயங்கள். And apart from all these, how to set a profile, எது ரொம்ப முக்கியம், what portion has to be focused in the profile. And we came already, I know the strategies and which is important, like உங்களோட marketing strategy வந்து ரொம்பவே சூப்பரா இருக்கும். என்னோட son உங்களோட marketingக்கு பெரிய fan. So how it plays a vital role in our like a training journey அப்படின்றது I come to know. And I was very happy that you have shared all those things, like proposals, how to create a proposals, invoice and as well. And thank you so much. It was learning, great learnings. Thank you.